Stem cells have the extraordinary ability to develop into any type of cell in the human body, from skin cells to brain cells, and can even repair damaged tissues, effectively making them a key component in the body's natural repair kit. This unique capacity has led scientists to believe that stem cells hold the secret to repairing damaged hearts, brains, and other vital organs, which could potentially revolutionize the way we approach disease treatment. The concept of stem cells is rooted in the process of embryonic development, where these cells play a crucial role in the formation of an embryo, eventually giving rise to all the tissues and organs in the human body. During this process, stem cells undergo a series of complex cellular divisions and differentiations, ultimately leading to the development of specialized cells that make up our tissues and organs. The human body contains two main types of stem cells: embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are found in embryos and have the ability to develop into any type of cell in the body, whereas adult stem cells are found in adult tissues and are primarily responsible for maintaining tissue homeostasis. Adult stem cells can be further divided into different types, including bone marrow stem cells, which produce blood cells, and gut stem cells, which are responsible for maintaining the lining of the gut. These adult stem cells play a vital role in tissue regeneration, allowing our bodies to repair damaged tissues and maintain overall health. One of the most significant properties of stem cells is their ability to differentiate into specialized cells, a process that is crucial for tissue regeneration. For example, skin regeneration is made possible by stem cells that differentiate into skin cells, allowing our skin to heal from injuries and maintain its integrity. Similarly, tissue homeostasis is maintained by stem cells that differentiate into specialized cells, replacing damaged or dying cells and ensuring that our tissues function properly. This process of differentiation and proliferation is essential for our overall health and well-being, and scientists are working to understand the complex mechanisms that govern these processes. Regenerative therapies, which involve the use of stem cells to repair or replace damaged tissues, hold great promise for the treatment of diseases such as Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and cancer. By harnessing the power of stem cells, scientists hope to develop new treatments that can repair damaged tissues and restore function to affected areas of the body. For example, in the case of Parkinson's disease, stem cells may be used to replace damaged brain cells, potentially restoring motor function and improving the quality of life for patients. Similarly, in the case of cancer, stem cells may be used to repair damaged tissues and promote healing, reducing the risk of complications and improving treatment outcomes. The use of stem cells in regenerative medicine has also led to the development of new technologies, such as tissue engineering and cell transplantation. Tissue engineering involves the use of stem cells to create artificial tissues that can be used to replace damaged or diseased tissues, while cell transplantation involves the use of stem cells to replace damaged or dying cells. These technologies hold great promise for the treatment of a wide range of diseases and injuries, and scientists are working to develop new and innovative approaches to regenerative medicine. However, the use of stem cells in regenerative medicine is not without its challenges and controversies. For example, the use of embryonic stem cells raises ethical concerns, as it involves the destruction of human embryos. In response to these concerns, scientists have developed induced pluripotent stem cells, which are adult cells that have been reprogrammed to have the ability to differentiate into any type of cell in the body. This technology has opened up new possibilities for regenerative medicine, as it allows scientists to create stem cells without the need for embryos. Despite the many advances that have been made in stem cell research, there is still much to be learned about these cells and their role in the human body. For example, scientists are still working to understand the complex mechanisms that govern stem cell differentiation and proliferation, and to develop new and innovative approaches to regenerative medicine. Additionally, there are many ethical considerations that must be taken into account when working with stem cells, such as the potential risks and benefits of stem cell therapies and the need for rigorous regulation and oversight. In recent years, there has been a growing trend towards stem cell tourism, where patients travel to other countries to receive unproven and often unregulated stem cell therapies. This has raised concerns about the safety and efficacy of these therapies, as well as the potential for exploitation of vulnerable patients. In response to these concerns, regulatory frameworks have been established to oversee the use of stem cells in medicine and to ensure that patients are protected from harm. As scientists continue to explore the possibilities of stem cell research, it is clear that these cells hold tremendous potential for the treatment of a wide range of diseases and injuries. From regenerative therapies to tissue engineering and cell transplantation, the use of stem cells is revolutionizing the way we approach medicine and is offering new hope to patients and families around the world. However, it is also important to approach this research with caution and to consider the potential risks and benefits of stem cell therapies. By working together to advance our understanding of stem cells and their role in the human body, we can unlock the full potential of these cells and create a brighter future for generations to come. The future of stem cell research is exciting and full of possibility, with new discoveries and advances being made every day. As scientists continue to explore the properties and potential of stem cells, we can expect to see new and innovative approaches to regenerative medicine, as well as a greater understanding of the complex mechanisms that govern stem cell differentiation and proliferation. Additionally, the development of new technologies, such as gene editing and personalized medicine, is likely to have a significant impact on the field of stem cell research and to open up new possibilities for the treatment of disease. In conclusion, stem cells are a powerful tool in the fight against disease and injury, and their potential to repair and replace damaged tissues is vast. As scientists continue to explore the possibilities of stem cell research, we can expect to see new and innovative approaches to regenerative medicine, as well as a greater understanding of the complex mechanisms that govern stem cell differentiation and proliferation. By working together to advance our understanding of stem cells and their role in the human body, we can unlock the full potential of these cells and create a brighter future for generations to come. The potential of stem cells to revolutionize the way we approach medicine is vast, and it is an exciting time for scientists, patients, and families around the world.